Sondelani wema fighter eyenu le neindaba ezibhlungu weingane zakwethu ukuthi ukuhamba bona bazohamba. In fact bayahamba. So abahleka bodwa bamabhasi athutha abantu abasuka eSouth Africa beye kwamanye amazwe kuthiwa babona influx abangayazi inamba ikhuphuka ngendlela ezezimanga indaba kuthiwa bayahamba. Abamabhasi bathi labantu bebejwayela ukuthi abahamba amabhasi empty bebuye begcwele. Hayi kulokho bafike empty hambe egcwele. Bayahamba. Abase Malawi sebejoyina abase Ghana ukuthi hayi nabo bayabalanda babo bayabona icountry yabi empty. Abantu bahambile bafuhleleka la eSouth Africa. Kodwa into ebhlungu ukuthi bahamba banamaphepha laba bantu ukuthi bahambile bayanyamalala, they just disappear on thin air. Bathi ke sebezwile ukuthi bala eSouth Africa bathi bayabafuna bazobalanda. Hambani bantu baseMalawi nifikela ngokungemthetho. Wema fighters ake ngiphendule nawo lo mbuzo. Kungani nimsupporta uCIC uma ethi illegal mining is crime? Wazi wakhipha istatement wathi laba abantu abamazamazama uma begoloza uphuma lapha phansi emgodini amaphoyisa eSouth Africa wavulela inhlamvu athi awababulale ngobani benza into wrong, that is criminality ukuthi bengene bengenawo amaphepha okumba imayini. Athi that is crime. Kodwa mekukhulunywa nge-illegal crossing the border, illegal immigration, athi it's not a crime. Ebavikele kanjani? Ethi ama borders are colonial borders wara. Kanti imayini zona ayifika ngani nawo ama colonizers lawo ngoba nazi imayini lezi za discover abamhlophe uma befika la. Yini eyithandi imayini eqhubeke efuna ukuqhoqobalela zona kodwa ethi ama border kawafuni uma izinto zecolonialism akayifuni? Yini eqhubeka abe yimember yeParliament lase South Africa ngoba phela iParliament ama-institution ama-colonist ama-colonizers okuyibona bafika nalama institutions. Yini beqhubeke behlala eParliament ngoba behola khona bewenze onke ama-processes eParliament, kodwa when it comes to ukusupporta illegal immigration athi colonialism, that is double standards. Yini nje le ebhalo uphambo noma ubalo usinawo yini la ibhalile athi ukubheka umazwi ukubheka icommunity yase South Africa yachoose ukubelieve ifamily kodwa when it comes to indaba kamfana lo odlulile kabhlungu emhlabeni iSouth Africa ifuna ukubelieve ifamily. Thina nifuna sibe blind to ireality, siyeke ukuzwa umthetho ukuthi uthini kanti umthetho wathi ngendaba kamazwi ngoba namaphoyisa afika ukuzoconfirm ukuthi cha ngempela this was a kidnapping. Nifuna ukwenzani? Nifuna ukuphehla udlame ngenxa ukuthi nje nifuna ukusupport abantu bokufika. Ningancamela ukuthi kuze kuliwe eSouth Africa inhlanga zilwe zodwa ngenxa ukuthi nje nifuna ukusupport abantu bokufika. Liphi iqiniso kulento eniyenzayo? Iyapi vele ibheke ephi yonke lento eniyenzayo? Bafowethu musani kuba nama double standards abhedayo.